Jai Hind students of class 8. Good morning to all of you. Today I am starting the new chapter, chapter 4, cubes and cubes roots. What is cubes? If any number is multiplied 3 times, that is a 9 cube means 9 into 9 into 9, then that is a cube. Now chapter is cubes and cubes root. Suppose that 2 cube, it means 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. And now what is the cube root of 8? It is 2. Suppose that 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27, and cube root of 27 equal to 3. Suppose that a number is 4 cube, it means 4 into 4 into 4, and that is 64. What is the cube root of 64? Under root 64, cube root of 64 equal to 4. Cube root can be written like 64 to the power 1 by 3. 27, cube root of 27 means 27 ka power 1 by 3. Exercise 4A. Question number 1. First, 8 cube. It means 8 into 8 into 8. 8 8 is 64 into 8. 8 4 is 32, 3 8 6 is 48, and 3 51. 8 cube is 512. Fourth, 60 cube means 60 into 60 into 60. Now 6 into 6 36 into 6 216, and we shall extend 3 0 1 2 3. Question number 2. (1.2) cube. We shall multiply 3 times, that is 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2. 12 into 12 equal to 144, and decimal we put after 2 digits into 1.2. Now 12 4 is 48, carry 4, 12 is 48 and 4 52, 5, and 12 1 is 12, 5 17. And decimal we put 2 and 1 3 digits, that is 1.728 is the answer of this question. Third question, 0.8 cube. 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8. 8 8 is 64 into 0.8. 8 4 is 32, 3 8 6 is 48, 3 51, and decimal we put after 2 and 1 3 digits, that is 0.512 is the answer of this question. Now question number 3. Second question, 10 by 11 is a rational number. We have to find the cube of 10 by 11. It will be multiplied 3 times, that is 10 by 11, 10 by 11 into 10 by 11. 10 into 10, 100 by 121 into 10 by 11. That is 1000 are divided by 11 1 ja 11, 1 carry, 11 2 ja 22, 1 23, 2 carry, 11 ja 11 or 2 13. 1000 by 1331 is the cube of 10 by 11. Now, fourth question, 1 and 3 by 10 cube. First of all, we shall change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 10 1 is 10, 3, 13 upon 10 cube. 13 upon 10 into 13 upon 10 into 13 upon 10. 13 13 is 169 upon 100 into 13 by 10. That is 13 9 is 117, 11 carry, 13 6 is 78 and 11. 78 and 11, 8 1 9, 7 1 89, 9 carry 8 and 13 1 is 13 or 8, 21 upon 1000 is the answer of this question. Question number 4. Which of the following numbers are perfect cubes? In case of perfect cube, find the number whose cubes is the given number. Suppose that first number 125. We shall factorize 125. 5, 25 and 5, 5, 500. It means 125 equal to 5 into 5 into 5. We shall write it 5 cube. So 125 is a perfect cube. Hence 125 is a perfect cube. Now, other question, third, 343. We divide by 7. 7 4 is 28. 6 3 7 9 is 63. 7 7 is 49 and 7 1. That is 343 can be written 7 into 7 into 7, 7 cube. So hence 343 is a perfect cube. Sixth question, 9 2 6 1. 1 6 7 to 9 9 18. That is, this number will be divisible by 3. 3 3 is 9, 0, 3 8 is 24, 2 1, 3 7 is 21. Now again by 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 2 7, 3 9 is 27, and 9 2 11 1 12, again by 3, 3 3 is 9, 1 2 3 4 is 12, 3, and by 7 7 6, 7 4 is 28, 6 3 7 9, and by 7 7 1. So 9 2 6 1 equal to 3 cube into 7 cube, that is 3 into 7 whole cube, that is 21 cube. Hence 9261 is also a perfect cube, also a perfect cube. Now students, you will complete in homework exercise 4A question number 1 to question number 4. Thanks students, have a nice day.